Hey, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, and on this episode, we're gonna go into Trader Joe's and do a keto diet grocery haul. Coming up next. So on this episode, we're gonna go into Trader Joe's and get a keto diet grocery haul. All things keto, all things weight loss, specifically though from Trader Joe's. If you love this video, make sure you smash that like button, dance your fingers down, click like, click subscribe, and sign up for my free weekly Wednesday weight loss email. It's a keto diet meal plan, my gift to you. Let's go into Trader Joe's and see what we can find for the ketogenic diet. So I'm making my way in, and specifically what I'm looking for today is the Trader Joe's carne asadas and some other keto vegetables, and maybe some discounted keto meat if I can find that. So let me show you everything that I'm gonna get. How cute is this herb plant? I'm so excited for my little rosemary plant. And I came for my carne asada. Yes, please, I want some, honey. This is definitely coming home with me. I'm gonna get some salami too. I like to have this as an easy keto food in my fridge just on busy days. And y'all told me about pork belly, so I'm going to go ahead and get that, and also some of that uncured, no sugar special bacon. And I do want some organic strawberries as well. Going to snag those. Oh my gosh, who loves keto coleslaw? Put in the comments below if you're a keto coleslaw lover. I'm going to go ahead and grab 2 bags of the broccoli slaw to make my keto coleslaw recipe, courtesy of Keto Ginger. And I'm going to get some of these organic button mushrooms too. And they have delicious organic Brussels sprouts, which are great when you make them crispy. And jicama sticks as well. I'm going to snag those. And I love organic radishes. Yes, please. Going to get those too. By far, the almond butter is one of my favorite keto foods. It's definitely coming home in addition to the everything but the bagel seasoning. You can get this cheaper at Costco now, but I do love their spices and their meat seasonings from Trader Joe's. They by far have the best spices for meat, so I have almost all of these spices already at home that I use. And I'm going to go ahead and snag some of their fish. I'm really craving fish now that it's summertime and warmer weather. I'm going to get some ahi tuna. That looks delicious, and the price is right as well for $7.99 per pound. These mahi burgers are amazing though, and also their tuna is really, really good too. I highly recommend it. I love it. It's one of my favorite keto foods as well. I got all my awesome goodies. I'm gonna go home, break it down for you, all the keto foods I got, the best of, by the way. I'm so excited. My splurge purchase was this organic rosemary plant. I'm so excited about it. My little 3-year-old's gonna be pumped. So let's go home, let's unload everything. I wanna show you about those jicama sticks. Y'all, I am so stoked. Jeannie, you know who you are, girlfriend. She shared this recipe with me, and I cannot wait to share it with you. So let's go home, pack all the groceries, and you can see all my Trader Joe grocery haul goodies. The plant is secure. The plant is secure. Okay, let's go home. Okay, I'm back from my Trader Joe's keto grocery haul. I'm gonna show you all my goodies. But first, let's do a little receipt breakdown. I spent $75 on my Trader Joe's ketogenic diet grocery haul. Y'all, this is totally for weight loss. And I literally drive over the Appalachian Mountains to get to Trader Joe's. So this is for real. This is legit. This is commitment right here. This is commitment. So if you love this video, make sure you smash the like button, click subscribe. Let's dive in. I got the no sugar added bacon. I wanted to try it. I have not tried it before. And there's no sugars added, which we know in bacon for the keto diet and the keto lifestyle that a lot of bacons have sugar added. So it may say 0 carbs, but it has sugar, and so it's spiking your insulin, and that's why it tastes so good. I urge you to always check your labels. Always check your labels with bacon. This is saying 0 carbs for 1 pan slice. We do know food manufacturers jack with food labels. If it's 0.9 or under, they can round it down and say it's 0. And we know that that can really mess with our macros, which could ultimately affect our weight loss through creepy carbs. So the ingredients on this are pork, sea salt, spices, and sunflower oil, which sunflower oil is not the best, but here you go. Next, I got jicama sticks. Boom. These, y'all told me to make French fries out of these in my air fryer, which I will do at the end of this video or in another video. So stay tuned to the end to see if I give you the recipe. My intention is to do this. I did not check the use by date. It's coming up, I think, today. So I'm gonna have to make these today. But so it's saying in here in terms of the macros, because I always check my labels and my macros, is 2 grams of sugar for 7 sticks, which seems kind of like a lot. That would be like a French fry, a keto French fry portion. 7 carbs or 3 net carbs. I'm gonna count this as net carbs because it's a vegetable. So if it's, say, like packaged food, I don't like to count net carbs. If it's real food like meat, cheese, some real food, vegetable, fruit, I like to count the actual like label of net carbs for it. So I'm gonna count this as 3 net carbs, no protein, and fats is 0 fat. We'll see. I'm going to make it a high fat because keto, of course, is high fat, moderate protein, low carb. I'm going to, of course, dip this in some either olive oil or melted butter or something to make the higher fats with it and also to make them crispy in my air fryer. So stay tuned on that one. And of course, I think I've said it before. I'm going to say it again. Organic is best. Grass-fed is best. But do the best you can afford. Don't let the keto police out there intimidate you. Do what's best for your family and thy own self be true. Next, I got organic button mushrooms. I like to make my stuffed mushrooms out of these. I use sausage. I've done other keto videos on that keto recipe. This is a great thing to have. And I also, you can cut them up and dip them into ranch. You can use these for a lot of different things. If you have kids, you can hide it in the meat. They won't notice. Of some extra vegetables for them. I got 2 bags. Yes, I did. I said 2 bags of my broccoli slaw. I like the broccoli slaw, and some of y'all have asked about it, that it does have carrots, but here's the deal. If you want to make keto coleslaw, Keto Ginger has a great recipe. Go check out her YouTube channel on that. But 1.25, so 1 1/4 cups, is only 3 carbs, 3 net carbs. 3 net carbs. It's 5 carbs minus 2 grams of fiber equals 3 net carbs. You know, 3 net carbs for 1.25. I'm in. It tastes so stinking good. So I'm gonna roll with it that it has a little carrot slice. It's the keto police may not like that out there. I got 2 bags because we have a barbecue coming up. I also got some of the salami. I'm excited. I like to have salami or pepperoni at all times. It's one of my must be in my refrigerator for success for keto weight loss. I got some of these to have at home. I got organic radishes, which I don't have here on this side of the mountain. We do not in Shenandoah Valley have organic radishes. So when I see them, I grab them. So I will be making this in my pot roast because it tastes just like potatoes. I have other recipes on that. Of course, I got my carne asada. My #1 favorite thing, carne asada. While I was there, if you might have seen my ahi tuna, I went to go check out and the cashier was so nice. He's like, this is broken, don't get it. As your friend, like, don't get it, which was really nice. So I ended up getting, because something was wrong with the vacuum pack on them for the ahi tuna. So I got the mahi burgers, which are great. You can put these in the air fryer, grill them. They're really good and they stay in the freezer. So you don't have to feel under pressure to cook these right away. It's a good thing just to have in the refrigerator. I also got some organic Brussels sprouts. Again, do the best your family can afford. I liked getting more organic foods for things like mushrooms or things that were in the ground. If it's, say, like an organic, I'm trying to think of something, like an organic avocado. Really doesn't wet my whistle. I'll just get a regular avocado. Again, do what's best for your family. I got my fully cooked pork belly. This is great. It's good. I like to have it every once in a while. Y'all recommended it. So put in the comments what I should try. If you have say, I have a recommendation, Countess, put it in the comments below. I did end up getting my crunchy almond butter. This stuff is amazing. Order it on Amazon. If you don't have one near you, I will put it in the description link below. So stinking good. I did get peanut butter, which before you put in the comments, it's not keto. I know that. I know that. Peanuts are a legume, so they're technically not keto, but I got it for my little boy. He likes peanut butter a lot. He likes it more. He goes between. Sometimes he's like, I'll have the almond butter, and sometimes he doesn't. So I got this for him. It's a low carb treat because it's high fat, moderate protein, low carb, but it's not a keto food. So there we go. Did I get everything? Is that everything? So my awesome carne asada from Trader Joe's brings all the boys to the yard. They love it. I love it. It's so good and it's really fast. Like for a quick and easy meal, this is super, super fast. The carne asada for 4 ounces is 3 carbs. I get my cheese shredded because I love fresh shredded cheese and it doesn't have the creepy car additives. She loves it too because I cook like the Sesame Street chef. I'm gonna have romaine wraps, and I'm gonna get these all set for my family. Okay, I got my shredded cheese, got the guacamoles. Here's these things. I know some of y'all won't like that I'm giving my family, but they're not eating low carb, but I thought these things were so cute. I will put them in the description link below. Those are not low carb, but they're for my other family, not my other family. And then I'm making my salad over here, and we're getting our carnitas all set. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button, make sure you click subscribe, and sign up for my free weekly Wednesday keto diet meal plan. My keto diet meal plan is my gift to you. Let's see you again next time on the next Keto Diet Grocery Haul video. Bye guys, make it a powerful day.